I like the spray because it's quicker than the glue, but it does drip. Now that everything's tacky and how I want it, I'm gonna put the wig on and then press down. And it should be on your head pretty tight. And you see, like this bit here, like the lace isn't fully on my scalp. That's completely. So start brushing. And when you brush it out, make sure to hold it so your wig don't fall off. My wig, and I just take the hair in sections and I take my straighteners and I straighten. If I'm not in a rush, then I just I'll take a comb and then put it on like this bit and then have it like run through, but time is money and a bitch is broke. Okay, so now the hair is ready to be styled. Okay, so I'm gonna take the got to be glued, and I'm gonna take my baby hair toothbrush, and what I'm gonna do is take the glue, put it on the toothbrush like toothpaste, like this much at a time, and do a section at a time. I don't like using gel because I feel like with the glue it helps keep the actual wig on itself, so I'm just putting the hair like out of the way so I can just see. And yeah, I'll just do like the baby hair like this, like so. There's one. Do you know what I mean? You get the gist. Now I'm gonna brush everything down the way I want it, and it should look something like this. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I put a wig on my waves. And as you can see, there's not really any, no, obviously there's going to be some dark patches like here and here, but besides that, the video. From Longqihair, I got 3 bundles, 22, 24 and 26 inch. My hair was dyed and made into a wig by House of Diamonds on Instagram. I'll leave all the details in the description. When I got the hair, it was Malaysian body wave and it felt really good. Like, it was so good. I can run my fingers straight through it. It's amazing. The quality is really good. I'm not even exaggerating, the quality is really good. And also, obviously, I wasn't there for the dyeing process because I gave it to a colorist. but she told me that it dyed really well. And when the hair was wet and she was brushing it out, she was expecting a lot of knots, and there was no knots, and she said it's really good quality. Yeah, so I took her word for it. When I got the hair, it had 0 white hairs, and normally when you get long Brazilian, Peruvian, any type of hair, there's always going to be white hairs, because obviously the longer the hair, the older the woman that had the hair. But with this hair, there was no white hairs, no nothing, and I just thought, rah, like, I really liked it. You get it, it comes in like bags, so each bundle comes in like a bag. You can reuse it. I've seen some people that have had theirs for